Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The electric field of a plane electromagnetic wave of wave number k and angular frequency omega is given by E is equal to E naught bracket Ex plus Ey bracket close sine kg minus omega t. Which of the following gives the direction of associated magnetic field B? A, Eg, B, minus Ex plus Ey, C, minus Ex minus Ey, D, Ex minus Ez, Ey minus Ez. We know from the equation that the direction of propagation is along Z. Electric field is in the direction of Ex plus Ey. The direction of magnetic field should be minus Ex plus Ey. We are provided with the equation E is equal to E naught bracket Ex plus Ey bracket close sine kg minus omega t. K is the wave number and is equal to 2 pi over lambda, where lambda is the wavelength. Z is the spatial coordinate along the direction of propagation. Omega is the angular frequency and is equal to 2 pi f, where f is the frequency. T is time, Ex is the unit vector in the positive x direction, Ey is the unit vector in the positive y direction. Vector E is the instantaneous electric field vector. At a given position and time, E naught is the amplitude of the electric field. Sine kg minus omega t is the sinusoidal variation of electric field with position and time. Bracket Ex plus Ey represents the direction of electric field's oscillation. Since electric field is a linear combination of Ex and Ey, it is linearly polarized wave in the xy plane. The electromagnetic wave consists of oscillating electric and magnetic field that are perpendicular to each other and are in phase. A changing electric field generates a magnetic field and a changing magnetic field generates an electric field. The electric and magnetic field propagate together at the speed of light, sustaining one another. If the propagation direction is along Z, the electric and magnetic field will lie in the xy plane. In the case we are considering, the electric field lies in Ex plus Ey direction. The magnetic field must be perpendicular to the electric field. The only correct choice from the 5 multiple choices that we have is that the direction of magnetic field is minus Ex plus Ey. The magnetic field is given by vector B is equal to B naught bracket minus Ex plus Ey bracket closed sine kg minus omega t, where B naught is equal to E naught over C. E naught is the maximum intensity of the electric field. B naught is the maximum intensity of the magnetic field and C is the speed of light. The direction of electric field is bracket Ex plus Ey and the direction of magnetic field is bracket minus Ex plus Ey bracket close. If we obtain the dot product, we obtain bracket Ex plus Ey bracket close dot product with minus Ex plus Ey bracket close, we obtain 0. Since the dot product is 0, the electric field and magnetic field are indeed orthogonal and perpendicular to one another. Therefore, the correct answer choice is B. The direction of the magnetic field is minus Ex plus Ey. May Allah bless us all. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.